Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a box of 1415 Fleer Showcase, as you can see, and the time is 23:55. That would be Atlantic Daylight Savings Time, Nova Scotia. Here's our list of, the teams and the winners of those teams. Thank you everyone for jumping in and getting it done. There's our serial number 0602 and it's break number 73. Alrighty. Here's our box and serial number. As you can see, it's still intact. Pardon me. Well, what does everybody think of that Connor McDavid lottery? I thought he was just busting with happiness. Wasn't he? Oops, sorry about that. Okay, good luck everybody. For the Montreal Canadiens, we got Sven Andrighetto. Sure. Montreal tonight is Marthy Sailor 393. And then we've got Andrei Burakovsky. This is one fancy card, huh? That's going up to Washington. Andrea 0993. Montreal, Yari Sakic. For Washington. Wow, Montreal and Washington in a big fierce competition here. Evgeny Kuchanov. There we go. For the Buffalo Sabres, we got red hot prospects. We got Red Glow. 26 out of 27. We got Andrei Markov, Connor Knapp, and Nathan Lewin. Going out to Turbo Plumber 65. Congratulations, Dan. We got Yori Letra for the Blues, and that's Alexandra, 1978-2003, Metal Universe. For the Capitals, Braden Holtby. Metal Universe, Bobby Hall for the Chicago Blackhawks, and that's cards 77/19. Nice hot gloves. CDA Sport, Corey Schneider. These are all along the lines of the Jambalaya. Hot gloves. Nice, congratulations. Tampa Bay Chubs. There you go. 185 out of 375. How sweet is that? Andre Valasiski. Sweet. That's pretty nice patches in the stuff that I've broken tonight. And we've got Prospects, Skybox Premium, 25 out of 50. Shane Guts to Be Here. And that's red. Guts to Be Here. That's quite a last name, if I must say so. Matt Zuccarello for the Rangers. Flair Showcase style. We got like 5 packs to go, I guess. And Damon Severson for CDA Sports and the New Jersey Devils. And 71 out of 299, Jonathan Bernier for Toronto. And that's also CDA Sports. 3 packs to go. Still no thickie. Well, I guess we had one, didn't we, I guess. And here we go. For Toronto again, back to back, we got Peter Granberg and Sam Carrick. Hot Duos Prospects, 33 out of 299. Congratulations, CDA Sport. There's a thick one. Tampa Bay. Hitting it up. Vladislav Nemenska. Jeez. My tongue just ain't working. Neminstenkov. Bruce the Butcher's back at it again, folks. I can't get my mouth to work. And last pack. We end up for the Buffalo Sabres, Matt Molson. That's going out to Turbo Plumber 65. So there you have it, folks. That's all she wrote. Thursday night, got 3 box breaks, I think. And Saturday night, got another case of Upper Deck Ice. 8-box case, so that's up and listed now. You can go on my eBay, Bruce's Box Break, and check that out. Thanks very much. Have a good weekend. Till next time, happy bidding.